The National Electrical Code does not explicitly address the use of NMB cable, commonly known as Romex, within electrical metallic tubing or EMT, and polyvinyl chloride or PVC conduits. Due to this ambiguity, there are varying opinions among electrical inspectors regarding this practice. Some arguments support the use of NMB in EMT or PVC, while others oppose it. Let's examine both sides. Firstly, flexibility is often cited as an advantage. NMB cable is inherently flexible, allowing it to navigate bends and turns within EMT or PVC conduits with relative ease. Secondly, cost-effectiveness is a factor. NMB is generally more cost-effective than using individual conductors like THHN or THWN wire within a conduit system. Thirdly, time savings can be realized. Installing NMB in EMT or PVC may be faster than pulling individual wires through conduit, especially for shorter runs. However, there are also arguments against using NMB in EMT or PVC. Firstly, code compliance is a primary concern. Some inspectors argue that running NMB in EMT or PVC violates the NEC because NMB is not specifically listed or labeled for use in these raceways. The code relies on approved uses as indicated in the product listing. Secondly, mechanical protection is another consideration. While NMB is insulated, EMT and PVC conduits provide additional mechanical protection against physical damage. NMB might be more susceptible to damage if exposed to physical stress within the conduit, such as during installation or from external forces. Thirdly, heat dissipation is important. And, especially metallic conduit, and to a lesser extent PVC, can aid in dissipating heat generated by electrical circuits. This is crucial for preventing overheating and potential fire hazards. NMB, especially when tightly bundled within a conduit, may be more prone to heat buildup. Given these conflicting viewpoints, it's essential to consider several recommendations. Firstly, always consult with local building inspectors. The best approach is to seek guidance from the local electrical inspector responsible for your jurisdiction. Their interpretation of the NEC requirements will determine whether or not NMB is permitted in EMT or PVC in your specific area. Secondly, if using NMB in EMT or PVC is allowed, use appropriate connectors and fittings. Ensure you utilize connectors and fittings that are specifically designed for the purpose of transitioning from NMB cable to conduit. This will create a secure and code-compliant installation. Thirdly, consider alternative wiring methods if NMB is not permitted. If the local inspector prohibits the use of NMB in EMT or PVC, explore other options such as using individual THHN or THWN wires within conduit, or utilizing armored cable, such as BX cable, which is designed for protected installations. In conclusion, the decision of whether or not to run NMB cable in EMT or PVC conduit is best made after consulting with local building inspectors. Consider the specific requirements of your project and the prevailing interpretation of the National Electrical Code in your area. While some inspectors may permit this practice, others may require alternative wiring solutions. Prioritize safety and electrical code compliance above all else to ensure a reliable, safe, and hazard-free electrical installation. Understanding the nuances of the NEC and local interpretations is crucial for making informed decisions and ensuring electrical safety. Remember that electrical codes are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when in doubt.